Hey, it's Eran here. This is a tutorial on the pipeline feature of System.io, and I'm going to show you how to use it from A to Z with a very simple use case. So obviously there is many different potential use cases. You could be selling real estate, you could be running a coaching business. In this case, I'm simply going to use it to be able to create a pipeline where I'm going to have people who are sign up to System.io using my affiliate link, and I want to make sure they're taken care of in terms of the bonuses, and then also potentially upgrading to my tech support membership. So with that said, I'm going to share my screen, show you the feature, show you how to use it, and give you an exact use case. So this is what pipelines look like in System.io. If you hover over CRM and click on pipelines, that's where you will see it. So I'm going to click on create. And in this case, you can see that it gives you a bunch of ideas. In this case, I'm going to basically call this System.io affiliate bonuses pipeline. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just delete all of these just because I would rather start from scratch in this case. Let's keep on deleting those. Okay, so let's call this one monthly free signups, let's say. And then this one we're going to call monthly plan, 17 a month. And then let's add another stage. This one's going to call annual plan, 170 a year. And let's call this one higher plans. And let's make this one tech support membership. And then let's do one more where I'm going to call this bonuses delivered. Okay. This is off the top of my head, something that I'm thinking will be a good workflow. I might actually decide to change it. I think that there's a point where I may want to have like a VA if it's going to take care of some things, but that's basically what I had in mind. So let me just refresh the page just to make sure that the pipeline is there. So here's the pipeline. If I click on the three dots, I click on edit. That's good. I can actually adjust something. So yeah, that's good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click into the pipeline and you could see the different items right here. Now here's what I'm going to do. So let's just say that I have somebody who is tagged, and I'll show you the tag. I'll search for the word 17. And this is the tag, $17 a month bonus buyer. So I'm going to go to workflows. And then I'm going to click on 50 just to see everything. I'll do a little search and I'll search for the word 17. And here it is. Canva AI. No, that's one. Let's do another one. Let's see if I've got another one. There you go. $17 a month System.io bonus workflow. So I'm going to click here and you could see that when a tag is added, I apply this tag to give them access to a course. I send them an email and I apply another tag to add them to a community. In this case, I'm going to add an action and I'm going to add to a pipeline and I'm going to choose the pipeline and it's going to be monthly plan $17 a month. Create. Perfect. Now I'm going to click on exit. Now I'm going to go to another stage that I have or another workflow that I have. And this one is going to be, I think I previously had it as 197. So let me just do, let's do annual 170. Okay, let's search for the word bonus. Okay, so System.io affiliate bonus and higher. So this one, I'm going to add this one, add to the pipeline, which is the higher option. It's good. And then I've got one more bonus workflow. Let's go to the next page. I've got a lot of workflows, as you can see. Do another search. There you go. 170 a year System.io bonus workflow before 197. So when somebody joins my 170 a year plan, I give them a bonus from using my affiliate link. I give them this tag, which triggers another access. I give them a community and I apply this tag as well. And in this case, I'm also going to add them to a pipeline, which is this one. Same thing. Like so. Perfect. Okay, that's awesome. So now I've got a bit of an idea on the process. Now I can do a few things. I can actually manually add people to this particular pipeline and I'll show you a realistic example. Okay, so here is an example of a test account that I have. I'm going to click into it and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to search for the word 17. Here is the tag I'm adding. I'm going to click on save. And now I'm going to go to pipelines, click into the pipeline, and then you will notice that automatically this tag has been added. And you could see that I've got the email address, the info. If I click on more, I can remove contact or open contact as well. And also I can leave notes about it if I so choose. Now, in this particular case, now that I've kind of did a little test, I'm thinking to myself, I don't really care about the higher plans. I more care about bonuses delivered. That's kind of the more important piece for me. So what I'll do is I'm actually going to delete from the pipeline and I'm just going to ignore the higher plans because it's not really that relevant. So I'm going to click on delete, click on save, and then I'm going to go back to the workflows of the higher plans and actually remove that particular thing because it really shouldn't be there. Now, if I click into it, you will notice that it's actually not even there because I actually deleted that step from the workflow. So that seems to be pretty good, which is pretty handy. And then I'm going to go back to pipelines and click here again. And then I've got somebody who signed up for this, somebody signed up for this. Did I deliver the bonuses? And did I enroll them on the tech membership? So this is now a point where I might do something a little bit different. I'm going to switch the sequence because I think this is more relevant. Now, I'm not even sure about the free signups per se, simply because I don't know that I have anybody. But what I can do is I can actually create like a little lead magnet where I tell people, hey, if you just sign up for the free account of System.io, then I'm going to give you XYZ bonus, and then choose what that bonus is. And then anybody that's going to sign up is going to automatically be added to the free sign up. That way I can actually see the pipeline. What is my pipeline to upgrade free accounts over to paid accounts, basically. Now, here is something that I'm super curious about to find out if it's going to work or not, is I'm going to do a little test with this particular contact the same way and see what happens, because I'm going to open the contact and see what happens if I give access to the annual plan now. Is it going to duplicate it and put it in both places, or is it just going to move it over? So let's find out. So I'm going to search for the tag 197. This is just the old tag. I'm going to click on save, and then let's go to pipelines. Now it's the moment of truth. And this is something that's good to also, I want you to see that because I want you to also learn how to think on your feet, because I'm testing something now that I don't know how it's going to work. And now I can see it automatically moved it over. It didn't add it in both places, which is great because the whole point of a pipeline is it moves people through the process, basically. So that's great. Now, let's just say I now manually deliver the bonuses. I do the one-on-one call with them or whatever. I can now click on bonuses delivered and move it over that way, which is great. So now there is additional pipelines that you can do that is going to be really helpful. And it just depends on how you structure your business. In my case, I can tell you right now that I have another pipeline immediately I'm thinking about, which I can do, which is one-on-one done with you services, right? And then what I'm going to do is I will set up some sort of a new lead. I'm going to say paid for sessions, mid project, and completed as an example, right? And I already know I have a specific client that signed up yesterday. They paid me for 4 one-on-one sessions with me, and I need to basically add them. So I will need to go and basically create some sort of pipeline or workflow and all that stuff. And let me just go and do it right now, just so you can see the process. I'm going to go to tags. Now, let me search for the tag already, DWY buyer. Okay, so that's the tag. And then I'm going to go and find that particular client. Actually, I'm going to go to workflow, and now I'm going to search for DWY. I don't think I have any workflow for that at all. Let's search for others. System.io to tags. No, I don't have that. That's not the right one. Let's do another search. No. Okay, so I'll create this one, and I'm going to say DWI buyer pipeline. Now I'm going to click into the workflow. I'm going to click here, add a tag. Now, actually, there's another potential tag that somebody could actually sign up for, and that is a session one-on-one buyer. Click here, click on action, scroll down, add to pipeline, paid for sessions. Perfect. I'm going to exit. I'm going to click on activate. And now this workflow is live. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this particular contact. In this particular case, the person actually made a payment elsewhere. And so I'm going to manually add their email address, click on save. And now when I click into the contact, I can go and add the DWY buyer, click on save. And now if I go to pipelines right here, I'm going to see the person like so. And that's it. That's the pipeline feature. Really useful. There is lots of different use cases. If you have a specific use case you're interested to know about, let me know, and I'll be sure to record a video or answer that in the comment section. So comment below. And if you have your own use case on pipeline feature, leave a comment below to let us know. I think everybody would appreciate learning from each other as well. That's about it. Really appreciate you. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the calendar feature. So then when people book a call with you and stuff like that, you can also add them to your pipeline.